Hello, hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and welcome back to my channel. I haven't been here for a long time, but I'm back not only with this super cute shaped card, but also with a freebie, and I'm going to tell you all about it later on in the video, so stay tuned. Here I've got the basic shape of that bodice. I cut it with 300 SM white cut and colored card. I'm going to stick them together using my liquid glue. I use SVG file from Creative Fabrica. If you'd like to get it, I left the link in the description down below. And I use my new CRICUT Maker 3. I absolutely love it. It is my very first project with this machine, and I have to say I absolutely love it. So if you ever thought about getting Scan and Cut or CRICUT machines, get one. These machines are absolutely amazing, especially for shaped elements, like in this case. Now I've got two sides for the front of the card, and I'm only going to put the glue on the sides here. Where the holes are, I'm going to leave it with no glue. And there is a reason for it, because I'm going to thread a ribbon, and I'm going to show you my trick for it. So first, I choose a ribbon, then I measure how big the card is. So I'm going to put it next to those holes, and I'm going to make it slightly longer. I'm going to use my scissors to cut the end off, and to make it super easy to thread, I'm going to use my sellotape and create a triangle at the very end. Don't worry if it comes off, you can always make another triangle with a sellotape. And this is the best trick I learned when threading the ribbon. And you can repeat that process with any project you've got using a ribbon. I really like it, and I think we've got so many ribbons in our stash, so today is the day to use them. As I said, I'm going to use SVG file from Creative Fabrica, and I left the link in the description down below. However, I did make some adjustments because the whole SVG file had lots of layers and I didn't really need all of them. All I needed is the base shape, which I'm going to cut twice using white card, then the colored version of it, and then the side panels and the top ones. Super quick and simple. So as you can see, I'm going to thread that ribbon here at the front of the card. And as I told you, I haven't been here on my channel for pretty long now. I'm really sorry for that. However, many changes happened in my life, including moving back to Poland. And I have to tell you that I had a lot of craft supplies to move with me. So it took me some time. So, I'm going to have more videos coming very soon with some of the collections you probably know, because I'm going to use what I've got in my stash. Have you ever moved a country? If you have, how did you find it? Because for me, it was a very long process. So, coming back to the card, as you can see, I'm threading that ribbon. With those triangles using sellotape, it is so much easier. And as I told you, because I haven't been here for a long time on my channel, I do have a freebie for you. So I created a PDF with very cool sentiments, both in English and Polish, that you can get for free. And they are perfect for hand-do cards, bachelor's party cards, weddings, and wedding anniversary. And I called it Love is in the Air. I left all the information in the description down below so you can check them out. And for that time now, until the end of September, you can get them for free on Buy Me a Coffee website. So please click the link and check those files because you can create so many different projects. Now I've got two tops for my card. I'm going to turn them over, use double-sided tape, and to make it super cool, I'm going to put the same ribbon at the top. I'm going to fold it a little bit just to make it even more special. Have you ever created a shaped card? If you have, did you use some cutting dice or CRICUT or Scan and Cut machine? Please let me know in the comments down below. What I really like about those machines, you can make your projects as small or as big as you want. And for me, this is very important because very often I like to make sure that the cards will fit in the envelope. And this one actually fits in 6 by 6 inches envelope. And that was very important for me when creating that project. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you two other cards I created using slightly different colors. So you can check them as well. So one panel is ready, and as you can see, I do have that double-sided tape at the bottom as well. And then I thought it would be a good idea to add some dimension. So I'm going to add some double-sided foam adhesive because that will make this project even more special. Have you ever used any pattern papers together with very bold colors? Like in this case, I've got that lilac at the bottom. Please let me know in the comments down below. I also wonder, how's your summer holiday? Because here in Poland it is over 30 degrees. It is super hot. However, I'm not going to complain because the weather is absolutely amazing. And I have to admit that I started going to different places in Poland to do some exploration. And I really, really love it. We've got some absolutely fantastic places with lots of galleries and museums as well. And that's what I love. So I hope that will be fine for the moment because I love London and every single Friday I went to a gallery or museum. So now I have to find more interesting places here. So please keep your fingers crossed. Now, as you can see, I'm adding some double-sided adhesive at the top. I'm going to peel them off and then use a few drops of liquid glue as well. So this way, that front of the card will stay together forever. And that's what I really, really want. So you can use that shaped card for invitations or even like a very special present for a bride. And I think that would be really cool. Now I've got a sentiment I created and I'm going to add some dimension as well. Because why not? If you want, you can add some gems to decorate your bodice and that'll be perfectly fine. So this is super quick and simple card. And when this is ready, there is only one more thing we have to do. And obviously, we need the back of the card. So again, I've got that white panel using 300 GSM card, and I'm going to create a top flap using my scoring board from Crafter's Companion. I really like it, and this is my trick for any shaped cards. Now I'm going to fold it, burnish it, and then attach it to the front of the card I created. And as you can see, there is plenty of space to write your message. However, if you want to make sure your card is going to stand proudly on a flat surface, you can trim the very bottom of the back panel. And that will be perfectly fine. Now I'm going to burnish that panel inside and the card is complete. Super quick and simple. Now I'm going to show you two other cards I created using exactly the same design paper pad, so you can see which one do you like more. I've got the blue version and then pink version with the black background. So which one really stands out for you? Please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget about those super cool Love is India sentiments you can get for free on Buy Me a Coffee website until the very end of September 2024. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to have more videos for you coming very soon. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting! See you! Bye!